pull up my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of this shit.
Hello and welcome to a new vlog. Today is Tuesday and we have a special guest in this vlog today. Make you show yourself.
How far now? What's happening?
The best documentaries.
Yeah, exactly what she said, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Big years of dance tank.
So we're currently going to Cinemat. Victor is not around, that's why he's not in this video. He has gone to work. Now he's responsible of us for this life. All of us will play with our life. Victor is locking it in.
Aside me.
Shut up. Shut up. Person with a rub lip gloss. Anyway, we're going to Cinemat. See when we get to Cinemat.
Back at the mall, like we promised, and you know what I'm saying? We're here to have fun.
Students are gangster now. You
know what I'm saying? Red hearts.
Why do you like
Cause it's like
it's not don't come on. I actually thought it was a soft drink that time.
It's soft drink. You don't go.
Yeah.
as this nigga pass you just disappear.
Little one.
He just vanish.
Don't give me new name now. Little one.
That nigga just vanish. Which color? Chinedu, you put not buy my mix for me. You tell me that if you want to pick, I go pay for one customer.
Eh?
Eh?
Say hi.
What is this? Okay, that bit written the hot sauce. So we're back from Cinemat. And I'm about to show you guys what we got in Cinemat. So Chinedu got socks for soccer. Him, Ify, and Victory. Mickey bought bag for his mommy. Because if I wondering, this is Mickey. Mickey, say hi again. Mickey, just get out. I got 2 face cap. This one. And I think Mickey got this one. And this one. And then we bought this for me and Leafy Market. Our head, every time I do it, jump. I bought a pack of sharpener because I use it for my business. It's a freebie for my business. Mickey bought boxers. Mickey bought towel. Them bought me Cerelac, so I will try Cerelac for the first time. And then I got a nail file. Mickey got cream. And that's everything we got from Cinemat. Hi guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. Anyway, today is Saturday. Today is Easter Saturday. What is this day now in the Bible? What it can be? Jesus don't die. Oh no.
That yesterday. Today, all of them are those that attest to murder. Like make my reports.
It's Jesus now. So we're going to Chinedu wants to cook Easter food for us. We're going to be cooking ofaku, pepper soup. Shut up. Pepper soup, rice, jollof or white rice. Cherry jollof or white rice.
Alright, welcome back guys to another episode in the vlog. Yes. We are heading out, as you can see. We are heading to a couple of places for little shopping. So yeah, it is what it is. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Say hi.
Talkative, say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
See him.
If you just look at your face.
Eh?
Yeah,
I will have him on the wheels. So yeah, we're going to brief you guys as we proceed. So stay tuned. No, because we have to go through.
So punctuated notes. If you shut up, you pick red mango.
Nobody eating ramen. Has anybody eating ramen too?
If your face is showing.
I eat ramen. They shop down now. Okay. Nobody's eating.
No, I'm not eating ramen.
No.
I don't know that.
Give me something else. Okay, focus on this one. Add this one to that. So, you guys try this one.
No, you'll be trying now. Enjoy yourself.
Okay.
The airport pocket bar.
Well, you even fix all this thing. They say heavy rain is coming. I don't know if their forecast is correct. They say heavy flood is coming.
Location. Everyone wanted to do small wine era. You don't have this. You get money? Yeah? So when you come and ask me to buy it. Jollof fries look nice, but it has a lot of things inside it.
I'll get one.
It's about to go back. That's why they are doing it as well. The place is about to expire. Yeah, we just got back home from all our plenty waka. So me and Ify were eating dinner. Or I am eating dinner. If it's eating pre-dinner, because I know that if they finish cooking another food today, if he will still eat it. So Chinedu is doing his own challenge with fasting, which is doing 1 meal. I'm doing no late night, so that's why I'm eating my dinner by 7. So this is what I'm eating, and this is my first and only meal for today: spare rice and chicken. On my vlog, when Chinedu is cooking, I might be sleeping. I don't know. So if I vlog, you guys will see it. If I don't vlog, I'll show you guys the end result last.
Hello everyone, happy Sunday and happy Easter.
Stainless.
Never. So guys, we did Faku and what else again? Let me open this pot, please. Let me show them the pot.
This one is pepper
The
soup.
soup.
The other one is Ofaku.
Faku, yeah. The one is
Stew.
Faku.
The stew.
No stew, yeah. Stew.
So we have a full house today. A full house today.
What's up, guys? What's up? Happy Easter.
So this is my sister. Say hi. It is Easter. Jesus have risen. You have go upstairs. So we are celebrating Jesus upstairs movement.